As we have seen, Dillon's rule establishes a clear legal hierarchy between state and local governments. Unlike national and state governments under the United States Constitution, which have separate sovereign spheres of authority, local governments are clearly subordinate to state governments. However, states can, if they so choose, and as a matter of practice have done so, grant considerable authority to local governments, particularly municipal corporations or cities. States typically make such local autonomy possible by granting the jurisdiction home rule status. Home rule status gives local governments considerable latitude to make decisions governing their residents without interference from the state. In Texas, all municipalities are governed under the laws of the state as established by the state legislature. Texas has about 1,200 incorporated municipalities, whose governments are defined in statutory and constitutional law. Under the state's constitution, cities with fewer than 5,000 residents are classified as general law municipalities, with restrictions on their organization, their taxing and their spending authority, as well as their ability to annex territory. They are permitted only the authority in these areas that is granted by the state legislature. There are a total of 862 cities in Texas that are general law cities. However, cities with populations of greater than 5,000 may petition for home rule status. The process of establishing home rule authority begins when the voters of a city approve a petition adopted by the city council. When the city is granted home rule status, it must adopt a new city charter. The charter establishes the form of city government, the organization of city departments, agencies, and courts, as well as provisions for annexation and elections and revisions to the city charter itself. It is, in a sense, then, a constitution for the city government. The remainder of our discussion will focus on the various forms of municipal government found in Texas's home rule municipalities.